The snow is behind us, at least for now, but we could get more winter weather in the days and weeks ahead. Today's question for our pet vet on call: can ice melt chemicals be harmful to pets?
Yes, they are all salt. Even the pet-friendly stuff is still a salt. It's a more mild chemical, but it's still harmful salt to your dog. And what they do is they can dry out their foot pads and cause cracks and wounds. If they lick it, they can get upset stomach, vomiting, diarrhea. It's not good for them to eat, ingest, or walk on. The best thing to do is to avoid it. Now, obviously, you can't avoid putting it out. We need that for our safety. But if you can avoid getting your pet through it, walk them around the ice melt area, walk them in a different area doesn't have it on there. Wash their feet off really, really well each time you come in. An easier way probably would be to get them some dog booties. You can put those on and take them off and prevent all of those issues.
Hey, we invite questions from anyone. If you have a question, you just send it to petvet@koimtv.com. Dr. Eva Dudek from the Parsons Pet Hospital answers a different question or brings us a fun fact every Wednesday right here on KOIM News at 5. You can also find answers to previous questions on our website. All right, let's check out our picks of the litter for the week. From the Joplin Humane Society, we've chosen first this male short-hair kitten. His name is Chunk. And from the Southeast Kansas Humane Society, we have Mudbud. She's a Carolina dog and husky mix, only about 4 months old. Mudbud is. The shelter says she loves to play and give kisses. If you're looking for a pet, why not check out your local Humane Society? You might find a Mudbud of your very own, or maybe a Chunk. You never know.